This opportunity, the reason why I'm promoting it is I myself like it. Imagine mo, master's degree in AI for 50,000 pesos. I'm gonna do it. For the study in Austria, unfortunately, these are all mostly technology related. Meron man generic business management lang. For this one, this is specific to Austria and specific to one partner school which offers very affordable tuition fee, which is yun nga 50,000 pesos lang or 726 euros per year yung tuition fee. For the master's program, it's going to be around 1 year or 2 years depending on the program you're going to be taking, and the programs are international business management, digital marketing, sports, culture and event management, smart products and AI driven development, energy and sustainability management, data science and intelligent analytics. For bachelor's program, this is going to be for 3 years or 4 years. So baka meron kayong mga kakilala, sarili ninyong mga anak na gagraduate, and then ang mahal ng tuition fee sa Pilipinas sa local schools. Why not consider this and dun sila mismo mag-bachelor's degree? So the programs that are available are drone engineering, energy and sustainability management, facility and real estate management. Since I myself will be going to Austria, guys, 50,000 pesos. Excited lang ako sa AI. I'm really passionate about learning AI kasi I know na nandito yung future. I'm gonna be saleable, I'm gonna be valuable, I'm gonna be taking this. If I may just share, meron na akong isang encounter na interview. Ngayon, yung initial interview nila, this is for job application. Sobrang interested kasi ako sa AI. So, trinay ko yun. Tapos, AI talaga yung mag-interview sa'yo, initial interview. Tapos, may question siya. Alam mo yung parang chat GPT na i-base niya yung follow-up question niya based sa sagot mo with all the specifics nung sinabi mo. Kasi ang first ever job ko sa Philippines at ang sweldo ko doon ay 9,000 pesos lang per month ay initial phone screener. Recruitment phone screener. So HR siya, tapos ikaw yung tatawag sa mga nag-a-apply, BPO company, tapos ikaw tatawag, ganito, ganyan. Tapos parang sabi ko, wala, yung first ever job ko, feeling ko wala na yun. It's gonna be replaced by AI already. I mean, may maiiwan at maiiwan pa din, pero imagine nyo na lang guys, even dito sa immigration ng Canada, IRCC, nagtanggal ng 5,000 employees because they were replaced by AI. Ayoko mapag-iwanan. That's why I want to upskill myself. I want to be knowledgeable about AI. Otherwise, baka later wala nang immigration consultant Baka AI na din yan. Diba? Sobrang naa-amaze ako doon sa, ilan na yung nakikita ko na, 12-year-old, 13 years old, basta as in mga teenagers na billionaires. And guess what? AI. Diba? I myself is going. If you guys are interested, tara classmates tayong lahat. I'll see you all guys in Austria.